Hey guys, we're out squirrel hunting. This is Gideon. We got a 12 gauge shotgun here. And what do you got?
And a 22.
Single shot 22. So we're going out. Hopefully get us a few squirrels and make some squirrel jerky.
You got 200. You got a good one too. Ready? Yeah.
What are you thinking, Gideon?
I don't know. No luck so far.
We played the squirrel call a couple times. No response, really. Oh, now we're just waiting here. We'll play the call a little bit more, maybe. But... What's that? Sounds like a frog. That's weird. I don't know.
Could that be a squirrel?
So, Gideon is going to, holy cow, this is, okay. Gideon is going to shoot the nest that's over there. We're going to see if anything comes out.
Well,
What?
my thing just went.
Your shell just popped out? Your shell just popped out?
Yeah. Okay, fire. Should I even shoot the air? Ready?
Yep. I don't think nothing came out. Squirrel. Guys, there's a squirrel right there. Oh my gosh, dude. See this tree?
Yeah.
It's right there. Hold on.
You see it?
Like right there, bro.
Do you see it?
I just saw it. It just walked up that tree. Okay. Game plan. Gideon's gonna get down with the drum. I'm just talking to the camera.
Huh? Okay, so I'm gonna get down, and then if I see him, I'm gonna shoot, and then he got back up. If he goes up the tree, he's gonna shoot him.
Yep.
With the shotgun.
Alright, so if we need that, I'm just talking to the camera.
Dude, get him, right there.
Where?
Come here.
But I can't.
Down here.
I can't.
Come here, Brett. Up the way, Brett. Come here, Brett. Oh, dude.
What?
My gun just exploded.
What?
Look at that. Is that good?
That's bad. That's him. So the shell exploded?
Yeah.
Where'd you get your ammo?
Huh?
Where'd you get your ammo? Like, where'd you buy it?
I don't know.
Alright, so we're heading back to Gideon's house because his gun just exploded.
Don't post that. They're gonna get.
Yeah.
They're gonna get mad.
This right here.
You got a.
Bench.
It's supposed to be in there.
And it got chipped right there. Well, we'll head back and get him a new gun.
I got another gun,
Oh, yeah.
and I'm not gonna blow this one up.
You sure? Okay, Gideon's got a new 22.
I'm just a frog.
Alright, we're back at the same spot where we were.
Got a new gun.
Yeah, sorry. Just to make a long story short, we were walking around through the forest. My phone's almost dead. Looked around the corner, looked up this tree. All of a sudden I see a big red blob. Look, and I shot it with the 12 gauge.
Where'd you hit it?
Looks like a lung shot. Anyway, hit it with the shotgun. We're gonna keep hunting. So yeah, my phone's probably gonna die soon.
Got that.
Record.
Wait. We just got another squirrel. Breck, there's one right there. To your left, right there. Get it. Yes, dude. Yes. We just got another squirrel. Yes. It's hanging on the tree. Yes, dude. We just got another squirrel. Dude.
I shot it just to make sure. He was twitching.
Wait, where'd she go?
I just shot another black squirrel. It's kind of small, but it's meat, you know.
Oh, look.
We got 2 squirrels. Let's go. Sir. Free rat.
Awesome.
You don't have to focus on the video.
Yeah. We got... That's awesome.
Alright guys, we're heading home. We got 2 squirrels and we'll see what happens. We're going to skin them or not, but my phone is literally about to die. So if this video ends out of nowhere, that's why. So, okay, bye.